Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Judge.me reviews for WooCommerce trust building, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Judge.me reviews for your WooCommerce store, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Plugins and then select Add New. In the search bar, type Judge.me. Find the Judge.me product reviews plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button, and then activate the plugin once installation is complete. After activation, go to the Judge.me menu in your WordPress dashboard. You will be prompted to create a Judge.me account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information and click Sign Up. Once your account is created, return to your WordPress dashboard. From the Judge.me menu, click on Settings. Here, you can customize your review settings, such as review requests and display options. Enable the features that suit your business needs. Next, go to the Widgets tab within the Judge.me settings. Select the type of review widget you want to display on your product pages. Customize its appearance according to your store's style. Save your changes after customization. Now, navigate to any specific product page on your WooCommerce store. You should see the Judge.me review section automatically added to those pages. To test the review request emails, create a test order in your WooCommerce store. Once the order is marked as completed, Judge.me will send an email for a review request. Check if the email looks good and is functioning as intended. Encourage your customers to leave reviews after their purchase. You can also manually add reviews directly through the Judge.me dashboard if needed. Monitor the reviews that come in from your customers. You can respond to reviews and manage them through the Judge.me dashboard. Regularly analyze the reviews to understand customer feedback and improve your products. With Judge.me reviews set up, your WooCommerce store will start building trust with potential customers. This will ultimately help increase your sales and customer loyalty over time. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Judge.me reviews for your WooCommerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.